My name is Terry Dorge. Some people put on a uniform, but I do things a little differently. This is my vest. I'm an obstacle course racer, coach, and fitness enthusiast. I've trained with this armadillo vest for the past few years, and it's seen me through hard times and sweat. It develops that extra edge I need on every step, every obstacle, every movement. I train for sport, health, but most important, I train for life. An athlete is defined by the skills they develop, which is directly affected by their equipment. And a sharp set of tools makes all the difference. My name is Terry Dorge. This is my vest. So get the best. Gear up with white line.